Welcome to 105 AA Estate Whim. While the current owner has done a lot to this property, he's ready to move on to his next adventure. Perhaps this could be your next adventure. There are 3 buildings, 2 of which are ready to move in. There are fruit trees with orchids tied to them. Take a look. Here's the carport and main house. It has 3 bedrooms and 1 bath. The property is fenced, and there's a vehicle gate and a passenger gate. There will be more as we roam about the property. This is a lovely outdoor shaded seating area located between the main house and the studio. The brightly colored building is the studio. Through the double doors is a covered patio just off the front door of the studio. Next to the covered patio is a nice storage shed. The newly paved road is Americana Way. Notice another vehicle access gate. There's a fence separating the 3rd building from the rest of the property with a pedestrian access gate. The 3rd building, which is approximately 434 square feet, has 2 bedrooms and 1 bath, a living room and kitchen. There's a 3rd vehicle access gate on the right. This building currently has no electrical or water service, but a new water meter has been installed. The house is wired and has an electrical panel. The house sits on the corner of Americana Way and Joseph Willard Drive. The house has a large front patio, 8 feet wide by over 24 feet long. There are 2 doors. The white door goes into the living room and the other into the kitchen. Now that we walked around the 3rd building, let's go back and see the rest of the property. Here's the other side of the shed. There are 2 sections for storage with the 2 colorful doors. Between the shed and the studio is the covered patio. There are so many outdoor sitting areas, including this fire pit. The yard has many fruit trees. The avocado trees are prolific and have some of the best avocados we've ever had. And here's that shady seating area again between the studio and the house. What a lovely place to relax. We've walked all the way around the property. Here's the carport, where there's a washer and dryer and double sinks. This unique property has so much potential.